Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove tab groups from the bookmark bar in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is fully loaded, direct your attention to the bookmark bar at the top of your browser window. This is the horizontal bar just below the address bar, where you typically see your saved bookmarks and frequently visited sites displayed. Now, you'll want to right-click anywhere on the bookmark bar itself. This action will bring up a context menu with several options related to how your bookmark bar is configured and what elements are displayed on it. Take a moment to look through the menu options that appear. Within this context menu, look for an option labeled Show Tab Groups. You'll notice that this option currently has a check mark next to it, which indicates that the Tab Groups feature is currently enabled and visible on your bookmark bar. This is why you're seeing tab groups taking up space in your bookmarks area. Go ahead and click on Show Tab Groups to uncheck this option. By clicking it, you're essentially toggling off the Tab Groups feature from your bookmark bar. As soon as you do this, you'll immediately see the tab groups disappear from your bookmark bar, giving you more clean space to organize and view your actual bookmarks without the clutter of tab group indicators. And that's it! You've successfully removed tab groups from your bookmark bar in Chrome, creating a cleaner and more streamlined browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.